Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my 2 ponytail look that I had like 2 weeks ago. We're going to be working with natural hair today and some braiding hair. This hair is by Freetress. It's just Braid 101 hair, it says. Nothing special about it, but I love the texture. It's very close to my natural hair texture when I have a blowout. I've had this blowout for like 2 weeks. It's really old now and it's sort of dirty, so it's easy to work with. Usually when I'm towards the end of a blowout, I tend to start putting product in my hair, so that's why I wanted to do this tutorial now, because we're a good 2 weeks in and I'm gonna wash my hair soon. So if you guys want to see how I got my 2 ponytail look, please keep watching. Starbucks is almost gone. I drink chai. I've always drank chai for years. It's one of my favorite drinks from Starbucks. Okay, so I start by just parting my hair into 2 ponytails. Again, I am working with my natural hair. This isn't really the straightest part. So, there we go. I don't know, y'all, my hair part's weird to me. Like, is that straight? It looks a little off, right? A little crooked. I usually can tell by my widow's peak. Maybe I just need a different comb, I don't know. Let's see. That's the best we're gonna get, okay? So I'm gonna just continue this down the middle of the back of my head. It's not gonna be perfect, I'm telling you guys now. I am not the best parter. I don't even know, like even when I do like my little sister's hair, I don't do the straightest parts. It drives me nuts. I'm just gonna take out some hair ties and we're gonna separate my hair. I'm gonna take this side. I'm gonna do the other side first, but we're just gonna put this side off. So I'm gonna brush my hair up. I'm doing high ponytails. I like to use the hydrating hair butter by Made Beautiful. I was gonna say True, but that's like the line. The brand is by Made Beautiful. So I just take a little bit in my hands because it softens up the back of my hair back here. Gets those edges nice and sleek. I'm gonna put some over here on the sides. So many of you were like, how did you get your hair like that? Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna show y'all. How's everybody been? It's been a minute since I've like sat down and talked to everyone. My hair is gonna wave up, you guys, because I'm putting product in it. So just so you know, if you're not familiar with my channel, I have curly hair, so my hair waves up anytime I put product in it. As you guys can see, it's starting to wave up a little bit. I'm gonna just add some of this Got to Be Glued gel, literally a smidget of it, not a whole lot. You don't need a whole lot with this. This just will keep these edges down, but it's also gonna cause my hair to wave up even more. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a hair tie and we are going to put my hair into a ponytail. Now for this side, we're just gonna sort of massage some of this in the back of my edges so that my hair stays, and on the sides of my hair. Love about braiding hair is that it's sort of already separated, so all you have to do is just take this little rubber band thing, and just don't pull on the hair, because I've noticed that it makes it a little bit harder. So I just take the hair, literally wrap the rubber band. I'm gonna place it on top like this so that my hair, I'm just gonna sit it right there, right? Then I'm going to take a little hairpin. I'm going to stick it in that rubber band and just pin it down. So now the ponytail is just hanging out, okay? Then I'm going to take a nice amount, like a decent amount, like this. And I'm going to take this side of the ponytail and literally wrap this around, like so, as you guys can see. You want to make sure that you keep it wide. You want to hide that rubber band. See what I'm doing here? So just make sure that that's what you do. Just cover up the rubber band, because that's pretty much the point of this. You can double wrap that rubber band if you want your hair to feel a little more secure. I'm just going to take another hairpin and pin the hair I wrapped around in here. As you can see. See? So it sort of just looks super now. You can leave it like this if you want to. You want to make sure your hair is somewhere mixed in. So you're going to take the ponytail and separate it. I like to make sure it's somewhat even. So we're doing a fishtail braid. You want to separate your hair into two places. You want to take hair from the outside. So from this side, I like to start with my natural hair. This makes it easier. So I'm going to take a piece of my natural hair, keep the hair separated, and you want to bring it over to the other side. And you're going to do the same thing on each side, as you can see. See what I'm doing here? You're literally creating a fishtail. But like I said, start with your natural hair if it's out, if you can. This way it's going to blend better. And you want to take a decent amount of hair. You want to use a decent amount of hair. So just keep doing that. Take the hair, cross it over to the other side. And you, like I said, you want to make sure you're blending your natural hair in with this so that your hair doesn't poke out. The first time I did it, my hair definitely poked out. So this time I'm making sure that I'm using the right amount of hair. And it doesn't matter if you do it like tight. You want to somewhat do it secure, because you're going to have to go in at the end and sort of just open it up a little bit. So I'm not going to talk this whole video, but like I said, you literally just cross it over, take it from the outside in. So this side into the middle, this side into the middle. And literally just repeat this all the way down. Okay guys, so my camera had died, as you guys see, but I wanted to show you guys what I do. So I just brushing some baby hairs out. I actually am one of those people that don't have like a crazy amount of baby hair. Like I have these little pieces right here, and that's about it. So I don't really like do this too often, only when I do hairstyles like this. Obviously I'm gonna brush some more, but they're not like crazy long. They naturally lay this way. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Got2b glue gel and just put it on there, and then we'll go back in and fix that. Got the gel on there. Now I'm gonna take this toothbrush and sort of just, you know, create, I guess, a look. Laid my edges down. Got my little ponytails. I am going to leave this scarf on after I go to the nail salon. When I come back, I will take it off and show you guys the finished product, but I kind of want my edges to lay down. So we're gonna go with the scarf. So I will be back in a minute when I come back from the nail salon, and I will show you guys my hair. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was super quick and easy hairstyle to do if you know how to do these little fishtail braids. I recommend practicing it on your own hair or like someone else's hair or a doll baby or something first if you don't know how to do it, because you don't want to mess up a pack of hair, because this hair tends to tangle up. I will say that if you like just mess it up, you know, it's braid hair, so just keep that in mind, you know, when you're doing it. Sometimes like the braid hair likes to just get a little rough. So if you don't know how to do it, practice on something else first. Then once you have it down, try this out. That's my honest opinion on it. Like practice on some bundles or something. Just obviously bundles would be easier, so I would practice on bundles before I messed around with braid hair and waste $3 or $4 on a pack of hair, you know. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see more hair tutorials, comment down below, because I haven't done them in so long. So I want to try and get up some more like hair tutorials of other hairstyles that I like to do. So let me know. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.